Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'll be presenting an overview of MS Access, a powerful tool for managing and analyzing data. In this presentation, we'll cover how to create tables, queries, forms, and reports in MS Access along with examples. So, what is MS Access? Microsoft Access is a relational database management system or RDBMS developed by Microsoft. It is used to store and manage data in a structured format, making it easier to retrieve and manipulate the information. Unlike spreadsheets, which are designed for calculations, MS Access is specialized for managing relationships between data entities. It offers tools for designing tables, writing queries, creating forms for user input, and generating reports for analysis. Then coming to creating tables in MS Access. Tables are the foundation of any database in MS Access. Each table contains rows known as records and columns called fields. To create a table, you can define the structure using table design mode. For instance, if you are creating a customer database, fields might include name, age, address, and phone number. Each field is assigned a data type like text or number based on the kind of data it will hold. A primary key is a unique identifier for each record, ensuring there are no duplicates. Finally, we save the table with a meaningful name for easy identification later. Then creating queries in MS Access. Queries are used to retrieve specific data from one or more tables. For example, if you have a customer database, you might want to find all customers from a particular city. Using query design, you can select tables, choose fields, and apply filters or sorting criteria. Queries allow you to answer questions like who are our customer aged above 30 or what were the total sales last month. Queries can also calculate values like summing up total sales or averaging customer ages. Then creating forms in MS Access. Forms provide a user-friendly interface for entering, editing, and viewing data. Instead of working directly with rows and columns, users can interact with a well-designed form. To create a form, start by selecting the table or query it's based on and then drag fields onto the form. You can also add design elements like buttons or drop-down menus to guide the user. For example, a form might include fields for name, address, email, and phone number along with a save button for quick data entry. And then creating reports in MS Access. Reports are designed to present data in a professional and structured way. For example, you might want a report summarizing sales by region or listing all customers who made purchases this month. To create a report, start by selecting the table or query it will be based on. Then add fields to the report and format them to include headers, footers, or even your company logo. Reports can be printed or shared as PDFs, making them ideal for business meetings or stakeholder presentations. Then example, sorting and filtering data. Let us take an example of a query. Suppose you want to find all customers in New York who are over the age of 30. You can set criteria for the city field as New York and for age as greater than 30. You can also sort the results by name or age in ascending or descending order. Queries like this help filter through large data sets efficiently, saving time and effort. Here is an example of a form. Imagine you are running a retail business and want to input customer details. A form can simplify this by presenting fields like name, email, and address in an intuitive layout. You can also add validation rules to ensure data accuracy. For instance, requiring that an email address includes @ Forms make databases accessible to non-technical users, improving usability. For reports, consider a scenario where you want to present total sales by region. You can group the report by regions and add a calculated field to sum up sales in each group. Add headers for clarity and page numbers for longer reports. Such reports are invaluable for management, providing clear insights into business performance. Then benefits of using MS Access, it has several advantages. First, it ensures data integrity by enforcing rules like unique IDs and relationships between tables. Second, it is user-friendly with tools like drag and drop interfaces for designing tables and forms. Third, it supports powerful querying capabilities, letting you perform complex operations on data. Finally, it integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft Office products, making it a versatile choice for businesses. Now, let's put it all together with a practical example. Imagine you are building a customer database for an e-commerce site. Create a customers table with fields like name, email, and phone number. Add an orders table, a link to customers to a common customer ID. Use queries to find specific orders or customer details. Design forms for customer data entry and generate reports summarizing monthly orders. In conclusion, Microsoft Access is a robust tool for managing and analyzing data. Whether you are creating tables, writing queries, designing forms, or generating reports, it simplifies every step of database management. Thank you.